Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I have another one of these white diamond painting packages has come through the letterbox. I think the postman is beginning to think, what on earth is she ordering? Unless of course he's got a partner or he diamond paints himself that does diamond painting. So yeah, let's get into it and have a look. And yeah, this is going to be the last 30 by 30 double-sided tape canvas I order until I use up some of my others, because I've just got so many and I've probably got enough for about 4 or 5 years. But I just love the pictures. It's come in lovely bags. As you can see, we've got quite a large bag of your B5200 whites there, and it is in a square. And let's see what toolkit we've got. We've got sort of a step up from a basic toolkit, shall we say. I think you can see it's got Huacan on the cover sheet there, so we know that it's from Huacan. So it's Huacan on AliExpress. And it's a pretty standard from this factory that they all seem to use: AZQSD, Evershine, Huacan, and a couple of others. I think, is it maybe Momo Art? And there's another one as well. All seem to use the same factory, so the toolkits seem to be pretty standard and the canvases seem to be pretty standard. So we've got a 10 placer and a 4 placer with a clear sparkly pen and a grip seal on, so that you can hold your pen that little bit more squishy there. 4 squares of wax in 2 of your rectangular shapes. That's a very grubby boat. Goodness me, that's been through the wars. I don't know if you can see how grubby that is. Yeah, definitely needs a wash, that one. And then your little just pointed tweezers, which are your bendable tweezers. Your flexible friend. Okay, step up from the black plastic ones, but still not very practical, not for my use anyway. If you can use them, brilliant. I've got loads I can send you. Only kidding. They all go to charity. I've got a little charity place that I send them through to. Right, let's grab my scissors and we will have a look at this canvas. Okay, see if we can get into it. And oops, see if it wants to come off. Yay. Okay. Oops, it always goes really static, that thick plastic that they put on those. So let's just take this off here and unroll it from its very tightly rolled foam roller. Yeah, we've got Huacan at the top there. We've got your little thumbnail of your picture there. We've got your key code down the side here with all the usual symbols that this factory uses. And it's 35 colours on a 30 by 40 square. Yeah, at least you sort of roughly know what you're getting. I wish they would go to poured glue though. I know they're a very low price. What did this one cost me? With taxes, this one cost me £3.32. So, you know, I mean, in some places it's the price of a cup of coffee, and you're getting all of those drills and everything as well. So, you know, for the price, I suppose that's what they have to do. But I would be prepared to pay that little bit more to actually get a double-sided, to get a poured glue canvas. So let's just peel this back. I've had a couple that have been similar, where it's a complete white background and you just have your animal in the middle, and this is a cute bunny. I'm definitely on a bunny theme. I seem to have ordered a lot of bunnies at the minute. I think this is what swayed me from my no buy, that I just saw the bunny. And I am going to have a go at doing changing another double-sided tape into a poured glue canvas. So I am going to be having a go at getting this double-sided tape off again. It took me forever to do last time, but I'm going to try a couple of different techniques. If they work, I'll film them and I'll let you see how I've done it. But isn't that gorgeous? That little face with that little nose. I love bunny noses. And the way they twitch the noses, they're just so sweet. Couldn't you just pick that up and give it a really big cuddle? And it's got all little pink roses in its hair. And a little pink nose. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous. I do sometimes like, although I do single place, I may have a go at multi-placing on this, but we'll see. But I do like when I get a picture like this, I will actually section off as usual and do a part at a time. But what I do is do all of the white, all of the outside first, because that's like the chore part of it, shall we say. Albeit it can be relaxing not having to keep changing out different colours and think about different colours. You are just working on one colour and you are just literally having the motion of putting down your drills, and I can find sometimes that's quite relaxing as well. You're not having to think at all. And then I save the best bit till last. So I've got the bunny in the middle to diamond paint last, and then you see all the bunny and all the colours come together. So I'll end up with a picture which has got a great big edge piece all done, and then I've just got the bunny to do the nice bit. Is it just me that does it that way around, or do other people do that as well? Which bits do you like doing best? Or do you stick to doing it a colour at a time? Or do you maybe leave the edge till last? Say I like getting the big bit out the way first. So I mean, to be honest, by the time you've done that outside, I should think you've probably done about half of the diamond painting. Let's just get this back lined up nicely down. It's my least favourite. They all seem to be coming with 3 pieces of cover sheet now, which I don't like because it can cause rivers and bubbles. There doesn't appear to be any on this one, but I'm not particularly bothered because this one I am going to be turning into a poured glue canvas again after saying, oh no, I would never do it, it's not worth the time. It is worth the time, and I am going to do it. So let's just do these little edges at this side as well, and just flatten it down that a little bit more. Okay, I do like this size as well because it fits nicely on my table. I'm not having to fight with it or roll it up or anything. I can keep it out. And I do cut this, well, I am going to cut this flappy bit off the edge. I can't be doing with this. It hangs over too much and just gets in the way. Okay, so there was no inventory sheet with this one. Right, let's have a look at these drills. Just put my scissors out of the way so I don't lose them. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Alright, so we have a huge bag of square B5200s, which is your bright white, which is almost a bluey white in this, like a grey blue hue to it. You know when they do the washing powder adverts, and they used to cheat in the way back when, and they actually used to put a really pale blue shirt on the screen because it looked white. Rather than using a white, so they used to compare the dirty white shirt to a pale blue shirt, so it always looked a lot whiter. And oh, I thought there was a lucky mark in there, but no, it's a brown little square there that's just decided it wants to be a white one, and it's got into that bag with them. So that's a huge bag. Okay, and then let's have a look at the colours. So we've got lots of pinks, which are all going to be the flowers and the nose. I wonder which colour the nose is going to be. Probably the palest pink. And these are all the colours round her hair and all the flowers. Very pretty, lovely colours. Just that little pop of colour on white just really makes a picture. I love doing it that way. I will check all my drills off once I'm off camera, so you need to check that you have got everything that it says here, because you don't want to put this away and 2 years down the line take it out and say, oh, I'm a colour missing. I don't think the company would be very happy with you. So it's always better to just double check. And plus as well, it then gives the drills time to arrive for you. So we've got browns and greens here. Lots of the fawns and the browns and the stony colours. And yeah, so they're all going to be bunny colour. Probably around the bottom, probably for highlighting. We've got some blue here as well. Look, that's probably for your shading of your bunny. Okay, so yeah, considering that it's like a grey bunny, there's not that much grey in this really. There's a lot of different shades, so I think he's going to look really 3D, quite stand out. Say a couple of shades of blue there with it as well. So quite looking forward to doing this, but I've got to get the double-sided tape off it first, so that's going to take quite a bit of doing. And then your greens, quite a bit of that green to go around the roses, and a bit more brown, and then the stony colour. So lots of lovely nice colours. Okay, well, 35 of them actually. Okay, so let's stay organised and get a label on this one. So we are Bunny Rose, I think we'll call this one, because I've got quite a few bunnies. So I've been ordering lots of bunnies, and it's 30 by 40, and it's Huacan, can't spell, and it's a square, and it's 35 colours, just for a change. And the code number, if I can have a look, it is AP. Thought there was something at the beginning there. Is AP16941. AP16941. Okay. And look at me staying organised, and we're in March. Oh, it's a Mad March hair. Not quite, but never mind. Pop my pen away. Scotty dogs. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at this one with me, and come back and I'll let you know whether I managed to get this double-sided tape off or not and what happens. So if you've enjoyed watching, so as always, if you can give me a thumbs up, it is always much appreciated. Too many always, but never mind. And if you press that subscribe button and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up, so you won't miss anything. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.